How do we find the derivative of this function? Well, we are still going to progress the same way. Anytime you differentiate y in this function, you are going to multiply that derivative by dy dx. Do you understand? Okay, because it is y that we are differentiating with respect to x, as you can see. So for this, differentiate x cubed. You're going to have 2x squared. Oh, sorry, 3x squared. 3x squared. Now, if you differentiate y cubed, you're going to have what? 3y squared. And I told you, whenever you differentiate y, you're going to multiply that derivative by dy over dx. Do not forget. So I'm going to have multiply by dy over dx equals to, if you differentiate 2, you're going to have 0. So for this, I'm going to have 3y squared dy all over dx is equals to negative 3x squared. Okay, to get the value of dy dx, we divide both sides by the coefficient of dy dx, which is what? 3y squared. So this over 3y squared and this over 3y squared. I'm going to have dy all over dx is equals to negative 3x squared all over 3y squared. Okay, now this will cancel this. So I'm left with what? Dy all over dx is equals to negative x squared all over y squared. Okay, which is the final answer. I hope you understand. Okay, what of this? We have x squared y squared minus 6xy plus 3xy squared equals to 2. We are asked to find the derivative of this. Well, to watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.